number 20. Kaya eto kami sa time zone. Medyo nakaka-karaoke kami. Nakamikta ako kasi parang DJ ang dating. Ito po si DJ Freddy.
Hello everyone, I'm DJ Freddy, your truly. Hi, we're here at Time Zone Glorieta and we're singing Wala Lang.
Kanina po, kumusta kami ng Bring Me to Life at I Kissed a Girl. Shit! So, yung dalawa, si DJ at si Laika, nasa labas sila eh.
Yeah.
Medyo nagliliwaliw sa drumming. Yun. So, yun.
And they saw a guy. He is good on drumming down. Down? Yung pa nakikita. Later on, we will see.
So, that's a big no-no.
And you know?
No. So, mag-end up po ang number season of the 20. At eto po kami ulit. DJ Giselle at DJ
Freddy, now signing off.